Stephen MURIUKI na Gerard IRIRI nĩ gatagati ka aria mahetwo kandarathi ya waki wa irathi cia CBC wĩra ũrĩa maugĩte matirĩ mamũkĩra marĩhi mao mothe.
We have not been paid our money. The paperwork and the projects are complete and they are already occupied. The sub-county director and the sub-county team have already done their part. They did their documentation, the public works did their documentation, and they have been forwarded to Jogoo House. But it seems now that the officials at the Jogoo House have not yet paid us.
GUCERITHIRIO kwa marĩhi maya gũtigĩte aingĩ ao ũgwati-inĩ wa gũtahwo makiuga kwa ihinda rĩrĩ matingĩhota kwambĩrĩria mawĩra mangĩ amu matirĩ na mbeca.
There is a lot of pain on behalf of the contractors from Bere South, even from Embu County. They are in pain. They are really in pain. They are suffering from auctions. Others are being harassed by the police because some of the people who are supplying the materials to them have connived with the police that they can go and try to recover the debt from them. So, but when you try to negotiate and show them the fact that you have not been paid by the government and you're doing all that it takes to pay, you find that it is pain all over.
Kũringana na MURIUKI, kĩgĩna kĩnene kĩrĩa gĩkwamĩte nĩ kĩa ene kandarathi anini kũrĩa augĩte angĩkorwo nĩ mekũrĩha magoti na faini cia ngombo iria moete thĩinĩ wa bengi gĩcunjĩ kĩa 20% kĩa mbeca ciao no ikũra.
Now what is surprising us now, and this is now what is now affecting most of the contractors, is even those who are paid, that amount which is retained cannot now be released because the tax, which was never included, is now more than what they were supposed to make.
Ene kandarathi aya rĩu nĩ maikĩtie ihoya kũrĩ thirikari gũtigĩrĩra nĩ marĩhwo mbeca ciao na ihenya o ta ũrĩa kwahoteka.
So if the government could be good enough, then they would factor in an element of interest so that these people can be able to pay the bank loans.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wandiro.